I'm Brett at Guidewise, and in this video I'm going to show you how to follow someone on Threads. So there are multiple different ways, so I'm going to show you the different ways in this video how to follow someone. First, with Threads open, we'll see our typical feed here, and you can just scroll through. And the first way to follow someone is, let's say this particular account where it shows it's China.baby and it shows Guangzhou, China. If you see on the left side here, there's their profile picture and a little plus icon. You can click that little plus icon and then it will show follow or visit profile, and you can just click follow, and then you are now following this person. The other way to follow someone is if you're clicking either their name, right there, it'll go to the profile, or you can click that plus button, there you go, and then you can click visit profile. Then on their profile, there's going to be that nice big follow button right there. You can tap on that, and you are now following this person or this account. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.